Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rama, and today is another hair growth tip video. Today I wanted to share with you guys one of the regimen that has completely transformed my little baby's hair. It has really made a big difference, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. So without wasting any time, please go ahead and hit on that subscribe button, join the family, and let's get started. So for this preparation we need rosemary leaves. The first ingredient is rosemary leaves. I add about 2 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed, and that will be the next ingredient. This is fenugreek seed. And the next ingredient is cloves, and I added 2 tablespoons of cloves as well. And the last ingredient we are adding is bay leaves. I added about 5 to 6 leaves of bay leaves. Once all your ingredients are all together in a bottle, the next thing we are adding is hot boiling water. You just want to add, I added 1 cup, and the amount that you're making depending on the amount of the ingredient you're using, you can add more water, but I added 1 cup. Make sure all the ingredients are under the water, and you just let it sit. I let mine sit for 5 hours, but I believe about 2 hours is already enough for this to infuse into your water. And 5 hours later, my tea is ready, and I just drain it and put it in a spray bottle, and it is ready to be used. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button and join the family. Hit on that notification button as well so you do not miss any other video from me. Thank you guys so much for your support. So I've already washed my baby's hair. It has already been washed and conditioned the day before, and it's time to put this in a little style. So what I do is I will use this hairspray to completely just wet her hair with it and detangle with it, and I use this as my water to detangle and moisturize, add hydration to her hair. So after you part the hair in section, you also want to go back with the spray and make sure you saturate every strand in her scalp. Just make sure that every hair strand is saturated with this hair tea, and you detangle thoroughly. And then after that, I follow this with my hair cream. It is a video on my channel on how I make this hair cream, and you just followed with that with the hair cream for a total hydration. And you just go ahead and comb it out to make sure every hair is saturated with a moisturizer, and that's it. You just put the hair on the style. If your hair is in protective style like braids or twists or whatever, you can still use this hairspray while your hair is in braids to moisturize and keep it hydrated. This regimen has really made a big difference in how quickly my baby's hair is growing. She didn't have any hair on the back of her hair, but now see how long the hair on the back is. The hair on the side was completely she was completely bald over there, but you can see now the hair is still a work in progress. It's still growing, but the hair is really growing. It has grown so long in the past 1 year, and I am just amazed with the result. It does not hurt, guys. It does not hurt to try something. This is a very effective regimen that will help your hair grow faster and stronger. All the ingredients that I use today are very beneficial, very potent when it comes to growing healthier, longer, thicker hair, and you just need to try it to see for yourself, and the result will amaze you. So go ahead and give it a try, guys. It does not hurt. So guys, I really appreciate you guys being here today. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit on the notification button as well. Join the family is also a great way to support my channel and help me grow. If you do appreciate anything on this video at all, please give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps with my videos. This channel, I create DIY videos for hair and skin, and I'm also a licensed cosmetologist, so I do share some few hairstyles here and there, but I am really passionate about our hair and how to make improvement in growing curly hair. And please excuse my voice today. I am a little under the weather, but I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. So thank you so much for being here. And my baby is being a very big girl today. She is 2 years old and almost 3, and she is sitting down for me today to do her hair. You can see from before how her back of her hair looks like, and now there is a huge improvement when it comes to her hair growing. Her back was completely bald, the side of her head was completely bald, but very big progress. I'm done. I do follow this with my herbal oil. I also have a video on my channel on how I make this oil, so I'll go ahead and then I'll put the oil on her scalp, on her edges, on the back of her head, and just not too much, but just a little bit goes a long way. Thank you guys so much for watching. And her little hairstyle, this is her favorite hairstyle, and it is done. She is happy, and you can see the difference between how her hair was. Look at the back of her head and look at now. Thank you guys so much for watching. She's ready to go. Bye.